Video number 8 based on worksheet 3. See the sum number 6. This is spinning one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. First, find the probability the pointer point will be at 6. It's 1 out of 12. Even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that is 6 out of 12, that is half. Prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 5 out of 12. Number greater than 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 4 out of 12, 1 by 3. Number less than or equal to 9. So 1 to 9. So that is 9 out of 12. So 3 upon 4. Number between 3 and 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is 7 out of 12. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability getting queen of red color. There are only 2 queens of red color. So 1 upon 26. Black face card. There are 6 black face cards. So 3 upon 26. Jack or queen of heart. Definitely only 2 cards. So 1 upon 26. Diamond, there are 13 diamonds. So 1 upon 4. Diamond or spade. 26 upon 52. 1 by 2. 4 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 16 good ones. Defective 4. Good 16. So total 20. It is impossible to just look at a pen and tell whether it is good or defective. One pen is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that the pen is defective? So defective there are 4. So 4 out of 20, 1 upon 5. Now suppose the pen drawn, the defective one is removed, it's not replaced. Now there are only 19 pens inside. Now defective, only 3 defective left. So 3 out of 19, it's a good. So 16 out of 19. Sum number 12. From a pack of 52 playing cards, all cards whose numbers are multiple of 3 are removed. Mean 3, 6, 9. So 3 cards total into 4. 12 cards removed. How many left? 52 minus 12, that is 40 cards are left. A face card, there are 12. 12 out of 40, that is 3 out of 10. Even number red card. 2, 4, 6 already removed. 8, 10. So 4 into 2, that is 8 out of 40, 1 upon 5. Sum number 9. Circle with diameter 20 centimeter is drawn somewhere on the rectangle. This is a rectangle. whose length is 40 centimeter, breadth is, and circle is drawn here whose diameter is 20, so radius 10. Paper is kept horizontal on the table. Now a dice fall first inside the circle. So area of circle upon area of rectangle pi r square upon length into breadth. 22, 7 comes down, 10 into 10, length into breadth. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 2s are 2 11s are. My answer is 11 upon 42. Second, dice fall apart from circle. So what is the area then? Area of rectangle minus area of circle upon rectangle. 14 to 30 minus into 10 into 10 upon 14 to 30. 1200 minus 2200 upon 7 upon 1200. Take LCM. 8400 minus 2200, 7 comes down, 0, 0, upon 7 into 0, 0, 0 cancel, 2 6 are 230 ones are. So my answer is 31 upon 42. Sum number 10. Office in Delhi are open for 5 days, Monday to Friday. So total sample space 5 square, that is 25. First thing, both absent on same day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Both on same day means 5 days. So my probability is 5 upon 25, 1 upon 5. Consecutive day. One Monday, other Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is the first. They'll repeat again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So there are 8 out of 25. Different days. One day is 1 upon 5. The difference will be 1 minus 1 upon 5. That is 4 upon 5. Video ends.